Hello everyone, and welcome back to... Today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its incredible advancements, but also its main loopholes that you need to be aware of. Let's start with a quick definition of AI for our newcomers. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Our first loophole is bias in AI. AI systems can inherit human biases from their training data, resulting in discriminatory decisions. This can affect areas like hiring, lending, and more. The second loophole is lack of common sense. AI systems often lack basic human common sense, making them prone to errors in decision-making, especially in unfamiliar situations. The third loophole is security vulnerabilities. AI systems can be exploited by malicious actors, leading to security breaches, privacy infringements, and potentially devastating consequences. The fourth loophole is ethical concerns. AI raises important ethical questions regarding its use in surveillance, autonomous weapons, and the impact on jobs. Our final loophole is explainability. AI models often work as black boxes, making it challenging to understand and trust their decision-making process. In conclusion, while AI has made remarkable progress, it's essential to be aware of these main loopholes. As we move forward, addressing these challenges will be crucial for the responsible development of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the main loopholes in artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.